What is up, YouTube? I am back here with another video, and on this video is going to be a trade recap on Tuesday's trade. Alright, so we took a sale on gold, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly the trade recap on why I took this and everything you need to know why I entered this trade. Okay, but let's get started. Alright, so as you guys can see here, this is going to be on Tuesday the 26th, right? This was the gold. Okay, first things first, if you guys want to get your sessions going on like this, if you want to make your chart look like this, go to indicators, search up sessions plug play. There you go, and you just favorite it, and you can just add it so you guys can see it. And here you go, you can just turn it on and it should be able to look like this. Alright, so this is gold on Tuesday. Alright, and so first things first is you want to mark up your previous daily low and daily high. So this was the daily low, and this was our daily high. Alright, next thing is that you guys want to find out a key level, right? So where this is where it was kind of iffy, right? Because this was a key level, right? There was a key level right here, and there was even a key level at the top. Okay, so both of these are key levels. Okay, and then as you guys can see right here, we have a huge gap in the bottom. All right, so from here all the way to here was a huge gap. All right, so there was a gap. Okay, and I wanted price to go down in order for it to fill this gap. Okay, so now I went to the 15-minute. All right, and what do you guys see here? Okay, you guys see here that price is just bouncing off of this area right here. Okay, it's just consolidating basically. All right, so now I went to the 5-minute. Right, we saw the daily high, we broke the EMA, we broke the daily high, and we had a key level above here, right? So that's literally 3 good factors for us. All right, and what did I see here? Consolidation, right? So I waited for the breakout to leave my box. Once it left, I had my stop loss above this high, right? And then my TP was trying to be London's low. Okay, right here, this was gonna be TP1, and I was trying to drag it all the way to the daily low, maybe even filling up this gap through the 1 hour. Okay, but that never happened. This is what price did, right? If you were in the Discord, if you guys took this trade, you guys would have caught a 1 or 2, but I decided not to get out. Why? Because I wanted to hit my TP, and I wanted it to fill in all of this, right? And especially because we were just consolidating, we had a huge push, right? Consolidating off of this level, right? And a huge gap at the bottom. Like, come on, like, I thought price was gonna fill in that gap, right? So I didn't leave yet. When did I leave? All right, so right here, this is where I got out, right? So if you guys would have taken this, this was a 101, sorry, this would have been a 101, but if you had your stop loss a little bit tighter, that would have been almost a 102. Okay, and you would have entered off of there. All right, but what I did, right, my stop loss was so huge, basically like this, right, that I caught a 101, right? So I was like this was my 101. I got out right here. Okay, but I should have gotten out right there. Okay, I was up a good almost $200, but I didn't get out, and I decided to get out on a little bit less, which would have been like, it was like what, 100 something dollars, right? But other than that, that was the 101 RR, right? This is what basically this is basically what the trade that I took. Okay, the reason that I took this trade, right, bouncing off our key level, huge gap on the downside, wanted to sweep London's lows and things like that, but it just never came to the downside, right? But other than that, August has been really shit for me. I'm gonna try to focus more on maybe trading even before market, or maybe, I don't know, it depends on gold. But for New York, I have to be really careful on what I trade on, because supply and demand is not bouncing off my zones. It is technically just bouncing off of key levels, or even sometimes the EMA. But it depends. I'm going to find out for this upcoming month. But hopefully, guys, this coming month can be a lot better. I trust me. I think it's gonna be one of the best months for me, because I'm gonna be ready for it. All right. But other than that, that's gonna be the end of this trade recap. I'm gonna show you guys another things as well. All right. All right. So what I wanted to show you guys is basically just to follow my Instagram. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter, even my TikTok. Everything's gonna be in the link in the bio. I want to reach at least 300 subscribers before the year ends, and then at least 10 members on my Discord before the year ends as well. I have a premium, and I also have a I have a premium version, and I also have a free Discord. Free Discord, I post free live trades once a week, free signals once a week, and then the rest are all in my premium. Every single day live stream on the premium, every single day live signals on the premium as well, even trade recaps and even support from me, right? That's on the premium. And if you guys are on the free side, you guys could take my signals once a week, live trades once a week, and then you can even chat with me, right? Whatever it is, it doesn't matter, right? But make sure you guys follow my Instagram, make sure you guys follow my TikTok, make sure you guys follow my Twitter, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. All right, other than that, that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and then I'm gonna be trying to be a little bit more consistent on posting YouTube videos. But yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord.